Alright, this is a little bit of an older brother. I think it's mid-80s or so. It is a convertible machine, meaning the bed slides off to expose your free arm, and there's your bobbin access. Uses class 15 bobbins. Free arm slides back on. Your accessory store there. Very cool little compartment. It has an automatic buttonholer, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 built-in stitches. I can find a manual for a similar model, so I will include that via email. But it has one plastic gear. The integrity of the gear has been checked, and everything is okay. It's a very nice machine. It's nothing, super, but if you just do some basic household sewing, this machine would be just great. It has regular and stretch stitches. It uses class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, and it's a low shank machine. It's easy to operate. It's built-in light. And we are set on straight and zigzag right now. And move out to a zigzag. And let's go to one of the decoratives and do a banner, which is design number 9. Also does some stretch stitches. Bring out our links. And it also has adjustable needle position, left, right, center. One of your reverse stretch stitches. Just serviced and ready to go. There's your stretch, there's your banner, zigzag, straight. Makes a scallop pattern. It has a triple point zigzag. It's a very nice little machine. As I said, it is an older mid-80s model. It's pretty heavy. It does have a built-in handle here on the top. Just serviced and ready to go. That's your brother VX 856.